Welcome to Bella's Vistas. Well, one of my subscribers gifted me a drone. I can't believe it, a brand new DJI mini drone. I'm trying to learn how to use it. This was the very first time I flew it. Lots to learn with this. I can't believe how high it goes and how quickly. Now I'm down in St. Jacobs having a look around here on the dam. Spent a lot of time around here. There's the bridge running downstream here, having a look around. There's the trail on the right hand side where we walk along through the woods. Just a great place to hang out. Lots of wildlife here, that's for sure. Love this guy swimming around. Around sunset's the best time to see these guys. The light's just amazing, reflections on the water. Now I'm taking a look around the farms and everything. There's the river on the left. There's a path down to the bridge. And all these farms. It's really different seeing it from the air. I mean, this was such a wonderful opportunity to me. I'm so grateful. Here's the beaver dam, a little water running through there. Saw some snapping turtles here. I thought they might be in distress, but they're doing just fine. Thought there was just one and it was stuck there, but I imagine they're mating or something here. There's one of the snappers. Prehistoric looking beasties, aren't they? I love them. So nice flying over the trees. What an amazing view. I lost signal on the drone and I was a bit worried about that when it lost signal, and then it said returning to home 1 minute and 40 seconds, and it flew its way right back and landed right at our feet. I was grateful. I thought I was done already with the drone. A couple days and it'd be over. Technology is just great now. Look at that, what a view of the dam. I've been walking around there so many times photographing the mink and the osprey, and it's just great to see it from the air. Going towards the dam. I didn't have enough nerve to zoom in there as far as I would have liked to. And my battery was getting low. That was the other thing. It says battery low, returning to home, and it just came right back home and landed without losing it somewhere. I've spent hours and hours here. One time I spent about every day for 3 weeks photographing the osprey until I got the shot that I really liked of him. There we are, there's the drone. The dam is really nice. Now I'm pretty sure if I get a little more confident I can fly right up the river towards the dam and get a better idea of it. This is when it was coming in and landing. Now it landed just a foot off. That's the mat from my car that I used to take it off from. These guys are great. They're always down there catching fish. Look at that osprey. He's looking right at us, and the fish is looking right at us too. I can't wait when I get a little weather like this to get the drone out in there and do some shots like this too. The only thing, it's a whole other thing for me to do, and I have to learn how to do it.